In this day and age, if you are not using a gallery service as a photographer or even as a videographer, what are you doing? Now that last bit we'll get into in a minute, but after trying a bunch of different gallery delivery services, I wanted to find something that really worked for me. Something that gave a premium experience to the end client and ultimately kind of made me look better. And that's when I found Pictime. Now, if you're not already using a gallery service, here's why you might want to consider using one. They allow you to have a platform for delivering, sharing, and ultimately selling your photos and videos. The creative tools available allow you to deliver the best client experience. You're not just sending them some link to a folder, you're curating a premium experience which integrates marketing, automation, AI tools, blogs, and more to create a powerhouse for you, the photographer. And the best service I have found to do that is none other than Pictime. Now yes, Pictime is sponsoring this video, but I started using them even before they actually paid me to talk about them. And I don't believe in talking about any product that I will not stand behind and use myself. But here's why now is the best time to start using Pictime. Because clients want a premium experience. Plus, that experience makes you look better and allows you to charge more for your photography services. But it doesn't stop there, because right now, from November 20th to December 1st, Pictime is having their Black Friday deal, which allows you to take 30% off of the subscription price. But it doesn't stop there, because they're offering 200 free gallery migrations, so you can have all your galleries in one place without having to pay anything for it. My link is in the description if you also want to get a free month. The free month does still stand if you use my link, and it's not during this Black Friday week. You can still get your free month. Try out Pictime. If you've heard of Pictime, you might think it is just an online gallery service, but it is so much more than that. So let me break it down for you and ultimately why I've gone with them. Not only is Pictime available in 14 different languages, so you can service clients all around the world, they also offer video integration into their galleries, so you can have your photos and videos delivered side by side. I just came back from shooting a project overseas where it was both video and photo, and I'm going to be delivering a huge amount of content for this project, and this feature from Pictime is going to allow me to deliver in the most seamless way possible all those photos and videos together. And this isn't even for a wedding or anything you might know Pictime traditionally for. This is actually for a fashion client of mine, and the editorial feel, that premium design of the galleries in Pictime is going to elevate my own brand and matches the vibe of the brand that we were shooting for. So it all feels cohesive and like I'm paying attention to the client's aesthetic. But it doesn't stop there, because Pictime is connected with over 30 different galleries from around the world to have automated fulfillment, so you don't have to deal with any of the printing, you don't have to deal with any of the fulfillment. Your clients can order right from delivery. They can go through, check the photos they want, have albums, prints, all of that made, and you don't have to do anything. You can just sit back and get paid for it. And there's even 24/7 customer support, not just for you, but for your clients as well. So if they have any issues, they can get the best support right to them. If you're like me and have started selling your own photographic prints, they also have a gallery feature that does all of that for you. So you can have your own print shop where you're selling your prints in a number of different formats: canvas, metal, wood, a high quality art print. All of it is available there, and you don't have to do any of the fulfillment, and these are proper gallery prints. This is stuff that you would have to go to a bunch of different printers to find the right one, to find the right quality, but Pictime has done that for you. And when your clients are looking through their gallery, or even if you are, they have an AI face search where they can go, oh, my sister Susan, I want to see all the photos of her, Susan. And it'll have her name tagged, and you can go through and see all the photos of your Aunt Susan right there. Now, it bases it off the face, so it's just going to be like, this is Aunt Susan's face, and it doesn't automatically know your Aunt Susan's name. It isn't psychic. It doesn't know all your details like that. It just goes, this is this person's face. Oh, here's all of them. Kind of like your phone does when you see all the photos of, oh, this person. Oh, great, they're all there. Pictime does the exact same thing. In fact, your client can be like, oh, I want all the photos of me. Boom, here's a selfie. Oh, here's all my photos. It's that great. You can just upload a selfie and see all the photos straight away. In fact, you can even have it where it's broken down. If you want to search, oh, I want all the hugging photos of people, you can type in hugs and there they are. If you want all the group photos, it's going to show them to you. If you want all the photos of close-ups of hands, you type in hand close-up and they'll all be there. If you get like rings and stuff like that from a wedding, just an example, or a kiss from a wedding, you know, it'll all be there. It has integrated features that allow you to automate sales for all kinds of events. If it's Mother's Day or the couple's anniversary or whatever, you want to list a sale, you can, and it has built-in marketing emails that you can send out and be like, hey, there's a sale, order your prints, and then you just collect the money from them. And if you are a wedding photographer and you're working with different vendors, event planners, florists, etc., it has vendor details built in, so you can share the photos with the different vendors so they can have their photos. Because all the time, if you shoot a wedding, everybody's going to be asking, hey, can we see the photos? Hey, can we see the photos? All the vendors, everybody. And this is a way that you can integrate it and be able to share them through Pictime so they have all the photos as well, and you don't have to like download them and send them a different way. It makes it so much easier. And if you want to make a slideshow for your couple of, oh, here's all your photos together, here's some royalty-free background music, oh, and oh, you want to download this? Here's a couple $1 charge to do so. Guess what? You can, and then you're making a little more money off the back end for that. It's not just going to be like they made a slideshow themselves and it's, you know, just like a slideshow you'd have back in school or like a regular presentation. These are elevated, so it speaks to the quality of your work. It stays on brand for you and delivers a premium feeling product. But it doesn't stop there, because if you want to have a blog and you want to keep people updated on what it is you're doing and actually grow your network, Pictime offers that with SEO tools built in to your blog to help actually attract new clients as well. They even have a writing assistant to help you. If maybe you're not your sharpest that day, you can write smarter to then attract these better clients. And if you thought it wasn't enough that Pictime is already offering video alongside their photo in their hybrid galleries, they also allow you to embed images, videos, and GIFs into your blog posts to spice them up to keep people reading longer. So with all that bundled together, what are you waiting for? Now is the time. This is the week to do it because of the 30% off for Black Friday. It does end December 1st. With these Black Friday deals, now is the time to lock in the best price of the year. You won't find a better price than this. So get in on it. My link is in the description down below, where you can also get your first 30 days free. And then, let's say you see this, it's a year from now. Let's say it's 6 months from now. Let's say it's a month from now. And you're like, I missed that sale. Guess what? You can still get your first 30 days free using my link in the description. So, with all that said, get in on it while you can. My name is Finn Badgley. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new around here, consider subscribing to join along this journey with me. As always, remember to work hard, rest often, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.